Hello students, I am Deepak Mahapasti, a computer science teacher from Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada branch. Today I am going to discuss the second chapter of class 9 and 10 both, that is the elements of communication process. So student, we have already discussed in the first chapter what do you mean by communication and types of communication. Today I will discuss what are the process to communicate and what are the elements, what are the cycles of communication. Today class I will discuss what are the elements of communication process, that means why we need communication first of all. The next one is your what. We have already known what do you mean by communication. So student, communication is the process by which exchanging our information or ideas in between the sender and receiver. That means to communicate the minimum we need two persons. So that's why we can easily communicate. So now we will discuss the word. First of all, I will show my slides. You see my slides. Student, my name is Deepak Mahapasti, my subject is computer. You can see my instruction in my slides. Is that clear? The next one is the student. What is communication? Already I have already discussed, so you can see and you can easily remember. This is my communication. What I have written here. Communication is a process by which exchanging the ideas, information between sender and receiver. We have already discussed. That means nowadays each and every field we need better communication. By the help of communication we can easily talk with our friend, relative or outside the person. In anywhere you can easily talk. Now we discuss the importance of communication skill. What are the important? For the communication nowadays it is very important. What type of important communication skill we will discuss one by one. So student, the first one I will discuss the word high self-esteem. That means high self-esteem means what? If we have confidence, then we can never be bad. We always go ahead. That means our mind is always be positive. If you are positive, then you can do in better way. You can never be lost. Each and every situation you can easily handle, and that is a what? High self-esteem. That means confident and handle different situations. Each and every situation you can easily handle, because for the good communication has good confidence, means positive. If you are positive, then you can never be lost in anywhere. Then the second one, my second one is the key to a better future. Again I am telling you, for a good communication, be a good listener. If you have a good communication, that means in your future you can never be lost. After completing your graduation, higher degree, then you must or you will apply the job for the future. And in the future, we must have a good communication, because the interviewer, they will check how will they communicate. His pronunciation is right or wrong, good or not. They are checking each and every situation, whether be private or government. They are all checking the communication. If you are communication good, then in your future you can never be lost. You must get a job. That is a key to a better future. That means easily get a job. Then my next one is a source of information. The source of information means what, student? It contains either two person or group of peoples. That means always we want to take the information about the world, about our state, about our country. Just like take the example of the corona. Nowadays how corona is situated in our country or world. So you can see that one. That means we want to take the information more and more. Then how will we get the information? If we will communicate in a grouping, in that case, any one of the person, they will talk about this topic or any other topic. That means if you are in grouping and you are communicate, then we are easily taking the more and more or new information from the others. That is a source of information. Next one, my students, build attitude. That means your attitude is also dependent on your communication. If we have good communication, then we must have the good attitude also. You can see in our classroom, all the students are not the good communication. If they are not the good communication, it may in the mind, what I cannot communicate, then why will I stand and why will I give the answer? That means ultimately they are in the back position, and the good communicate, they are in the forward position. That's why the build attitude means for the communication, for a good communication, it helps to be develop a good attitude person also. If you have a good attitude, then your elders, your teachers, your parents, they are always happy with you. They are always cooperating with you. That's why the build attitude is also another communication skill importance.